It's crazy how fast time moves. 1 year ago we were here, sailing through these waters, thinking this is something we'll never forget. And yet the days passed, life kept moving, and before we knew it, that memory felt like a dream. Something from another lifetime. But here we are again, back where it all began. And I wonder, will it feel the same? Or will it remind us of something we've forgotten?
Ain't shady, baby, I'm hot, like the prodigal son.
The plan was simple, head south, stopping on a bunch of islands along the way. These are the kind of places you wouldn't find on a map. Nido was 300 kilometers away, but no one was counting the distance. Out here, there was no schedule, no service, no rush. Just the boat, 22 strangers, and whatever was next. As Coron faded behind us, so did everything else. The busy streets, the constant noise. It all felt far away now. At this point in time doesn't really matter. The days were measured by the sun, the unbelievable islands, and the people around us. After a few beers and some good conversation, we pulled up to our first island. This place literally looked like it was pulled straight out of a postcard. Some of us jumped in straight away, others sat back, taking it all in. It was damn near impossible not to.
I see that you've been crying, but you know I'm always on your side.
Back home, life moves pretty fast. It's deadlines, schedules, and routines that make the weeks blur together. But here it's simple. It's waking up with the sun, diving into the clearest waters you've ever seen, and sharing stories with the people you just met, but somehow feel like you've known forever.
When it's dark and I don't know what to do, then I look at you, and your light fills up the room. Then I look at you, and I know I'll make it through.
We made it to base camp. It was just a tiny stretch of beach with some bamboo huts. The sky was on fire, and the beers were on ice. This was home for the night. Oh my gosh.
Okay, and I slap this card. One left card. That's yours. In the camera.
Morning of day 2. Just woke up, 6:30 a.m. Actually slept pretty good last night, besides the sunburn that I got yesterday, so that was a bit hot, but that is what we slept in last night. We had the master suite, I think. Day 2, I think we're going to a couple stops today on the boat. 4 stops, I think they told us. So we're gonna do some snorkeling, check out a couple other beaches, and then hit up our next camp for night number 2. So hopefully it'll be a good one. Let's go.
Go España! Go!
If I fast forward 20 years, all the money I'll make, all the things I'll own, none of it will matter as much as having the time and the freedom that I have right now. Because at the end of the day, time is the one thing you can't get back. The money, the success, the accomplishments, they're all worth something, but not everything. What really matters is the moments in between. The ones you'll look back on and wish you could relive.
Save me, save me, save me from this squeeze. I got a big fat mama trying to break me, and I love to live so pleasantly. Live this life of luxury, blazing on a sunny afternoon.
So chase your dreams, build something meaningful, but don't get so caught up in the grind that you forget to enjoy where you're at right now.
So we just arrived in camp, night 2. Nice little huts. Got the open bar happening, the big dream boat, man. So I'm about to get a beer, watch the sunset. Life is good.
You make me the best rum and coke.
It's very sweet, like you.
How are you feeling being back?
Feels home. Feels home?
I'm sad.
That's sad.
I'm sad. You can leave mine in there, buddy. I'm staying.
So how's the trip?
Crazy.
Saying goodbye, we always say, see you soon. See you soon, okay? So, everybody, so wherever you go, so enjoy, have fun, keep safe, appreciate everything, and not all people can afford or can do travel like you. So, you guys are so blessed. So, be blessed, okay? Be blessed and maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Take care. Thank you. Bro, thank you. See you soon.
Man, you're amazing. Thank you very much, brother. I really appreciate everything, man. You're incredible.
See you soon for sure.
Let's go!
Bye-bye.
Thank you, bro!
If there's one thing I've learned, it's that time doesn't wait. Life changes, we grow old, and opportunities slip away. So if there's something you're wanting to do, go do it. See the world while you can, while your body is still willing, and while the moments are still yours to take. Because one day, you'll either have stories to tell or excuses for why you never took the chance.